So in the previous video, we discussed that we need to have our own vision, perception, a way of thinking, right? So now how to do that? How to gain our perception, how to have a vision, a way of thinking. So whenever anything is happening around, just try to observe and notice things keenly. Don't come on a conclusion and just try to think the way you think. Listen to everyone, just don't follow what they say. Just try to think. And everybody has their own way of thinking on the basis of their foundations, their groundworks. Like, for example, whenever you think anything, what all that matters to you is your religion, the kind of background that you come from, the kind of teachings that you have gotten from your parents, teachers, or whosoever you're following. So that everything plays an important role whenever you decide something, whenever you think something. That is what is called your, foundation. So that's why, and that's how we all differ from each other in the vision that we have. Like, whatever I am thinking, I think on the prospects what I have been taught. So if, let's say, I am Jane, so I would think in a way that what I have been taught in my teachings, like, be kind to people, don't harm anyone. I'm just giving you an example. So if there is something going on which is, right from everyone other's perspective, but it could be wrong from mine, because I would look into that thing according to my teachings, according to my beliefs and what I have been taught and what I think. So that's how we have different visions. All you need to realize is, and only you need to do is, you need to take time. Whenever anything is happening, you just don't need to utter it right away. You just need to take 2 minutes, 3 minutes and analyze the situation, that according to you, is it right or not. And just remember, according to you, not according to the mass, not according to the people you are sitting in between, not according to the group of friends that you have, not according to anyone. It has to be according to you. It could be wrong, right? It does not matter. If you think it's right, it's right. End of the story. So for that, you need to have time, you need to think, and you need to analyze everything. So that's how, if you keep on doing over a period of time, you will have your own perception and vision, and that is going to help you in a longer run to make decisions, be it life related decision, be it related to work, be it related to anything, any relationship, anything. So that is going to help you in longer run. But for that, whenever anything is happening around you, you just don't need to say it quickly. You don't need to have or give your opinion right away. You just need to take time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, analyze the situation and say it. And there are times when you analyze the situation, but whatever you want to say, the situation or maybe the people, they don't want to hear it. So there's sometimes when you need to keep quiet. You don't need to say such things. So just let it be. Just keep that in your head, that this is how it should be and this is how it is not. So let it be, let it go. It's not required that every time you give your opinion, every time you give your perception, every time you tell people that this is your perception, it's not required. But it is required to have one in your head. Oh God, what's wrong with me? Why am I making mess? So yeah, so I'm going to end this video right here, and I hope I have made my point clear, that we need to have perception or vision, but it's not always required that we tell it to everyone. It's just sometimes we have to keep it to ourselves and know that yes, this is what we think, and this is how we think this should be done, or this could be done. So that's it. It's not required all the time that we go out and tell people that yeah, this is what I think, this is what you should do. It's not required. It's for our benefit to realize what we think and how our life should be according to the way of our thinking. So that's it. Bye bye. And as I've decided to shoot some makeup related videos, which I think I'll be shooting soon.